Hello, this is Daniel, and today I want to give you a quick demonstration of a brand new feature that the AutoFlex Connect 3 brings, and that is the manual override switches that are on the front of the box. So you can see here we have 6 knobs and 18 switches that are manual override switches that we can configure in the software and assign them to whatever outputs we want to assign them to. Let's take a look at how this works. So you can see on the screen here, I've got my VAC and fan as well as a relay heater. Right now, they're both in automatic, and orange and blue, they are both on. And I have configured them. This is the variable fan, and this one is the heater. You can see we've got a green LED, which tells me that they are both on right now. If I flip the switch up into the middle, this is override off, so the LED turns off. And then we're gonna see on the screen, it takes about 10 to 15 seconds for the screen to update. And here we can see it has now updated. We are now flashing yellow, so manual override, and gray because it is off. For the variable, let's go ahead and override it to right about there, somewhere in the middle. And we will see here again, 10 to 15 seconds. Oh, even quicker. There we go. It is now manually overridden, yellow. Of course, I've manually overridden it on, and you can see it changed from that 50% output to now it's at 33. If I want it all the way up to 100, I can turn that to 100, and we'll see that it will change here in a moment. There we go. One final thing that I should mention is that while the display takes 10, maybe even 15 seconds to update the status, the operation of the equipment, so your relay or your variable output, when you use the override switch, that is nearly instantaneous. So I've got a light bulb connected up here. I've got a light bulb connected up to the relay. So you should be able to see here when I flip the switch from manually overridden off to on, you can see how quickly that light bulb lights up. So just like that. Off, on, off. So while the display takes a few seconds for the controller to get the information that the switch has been flipped. It's a manual override. It takes a little bit to change that state on the display itself. The actual override, the equipment that you are going to be overriding, that is going to happen nearly instantaneously. I'm not going to show you how to do all of the configuration in this video. I was just excited to show you this new feature and how it works. So stay tuned, get subscribed, give this video a like so that you will be notified when I do release that upcoming video that will be a tutorial on how to actually configure and set up these manual override switches. That'll do it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.